Okay, good morning YouTubers. Summer Bill Sotheby here. And it's about 10 o'clock in the morning. About 9:30 I think it is actually. But and it's 15 degrees out. And this morning, when I got up this morning, it was 6 degrees. So it's warming up a little. And we are expecting snow later on today. But what I'm going to do here today is, first I want to show you, this furnace has really been doing a real good job. Put a couple all-nighters in, and it was down, probably to about 150 degrees. And I loaded it up this morning at about 4 o'clock this morning. And anyway, like right now, I don't know if you can see that, but the temperature is at 192. And this thing's been keeping up quite well. Now I'm heating my home, but I'm also heating my shop down there. And that is a little over 2,000 square feet right there. Now it is insulated, but still, it's a concrete slab, so, and you know, it's doing a good job. So, and that is probably, I'm thinking about 100 feet away from the furnace, and the furnace is probably about 50 feet away from the house here. So, but anyway, just a little rundown on furnace here. Maybe we'll take a peek inside. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, we got put an all-nighter in this morning. And it's quite toasty in there, but anyway, it just shut off, and it's at 196 degrees, so the water. But anyway. And but what I'm going to do today is set up, and I got to put my plow on my four-wheeler after I do that. But I want to transfer this wood. I mean, there's not a lot there, it's not big stuff. But if I don't get it now, it's going to get covered in snow, and I won't be able to get to it. And I count on a lot of this small stuff to keep the fire going good and hot. So I want to get all of this out of here, and I'll get it up to this area where it'll be out of the weather for most part. Might get some blowing, get a little snow on it, but anyway, that's right now. It looks pretty good. I'm happy with that compared to what it was a couple days ago. But I'll get that stacked in here and out of the weather, and then get the plow on the mule, and pretty much that's going to be it. And then we'll be ready for the storm tonight. And I don't know what they're calling for now. It's started out 5 to 8. Now it's down to 1.5. So I don't know. Who knows? We'll just wait to see what happens. But anyway, that's going to be it for now. Okay, I know you're not seeing much now, you're seeing a close-up of the plow. But I'm going to back it into my barn here, and maybe you can see how close it is on both. I think I only have about a ½ inch on each side. So I'm going to see like that. It's not as tight as I said it was. I might have a total of maybe 4 inches there and about 1 inch there. So probably a total of 5 inches I have. Anyway, we'll continue on in. Okay, and the reason I did that, because if we do happen to get a lot of snow, I won't have to drive out into it, I'll just plow my way out. So, makes it a little easier. So anyway, that's going to be it for this video.